I'm angry.
What?
That was crazy. I would have been you, and I'm not you. Shut up.
You're fat, it's on.
Goodness, it's cheese.
You're fat, dude.
Not California.
Hey!
Like, why do you eat beef jerky too much, baby?
I don't know, I like it.
Well, why'd you tackle AJ?
I don't know. He took my beef jerky.
But, why's your spinach? Would you let somebody take your beef jerky?
No.
Or would you do?
Beat you up.
Beat me up? I would never take your beef jerky.
You know.
Keep that hanging in there.
Strong man. Little muscle. Ha ha ha.
Wow, you're like crazy? Like crazy?